Hi, Dan here with Fiskars with another tool tech tip. This time we're going to talk about sharpeners, specifically scissor sharpeners. You've probably seen these. These are very small ceramic rods that you can use to sharpen a pair of scissors. Now, the proper way to do it is if you're right-handed, you hold the scissor in your right hand and the tool in your left hand. You push just the tip against those ceramic rods and you slide it forward while you slowly open. You can also slide it backwards. That doesn't tend to work quite as nicely, but a few stripes of that sharpening should really put a new fresh edge on a pair of scissors. A sharpener won't make something back to brand new quality, but it'll take something, I say, from a 60% to a 90%. Now, if you're a lefty, really the same thing happens. You're going to start with the tool in your left hand and the sharpener in your right hand. You're going to pinch it closed over the ceramic rod and slide it backwards. You're going to, again, put that new, fresh edge on it. Now, if you've ever seen Fiskars razor edge scissors, Fiskars razor edge are typically used for fabric. They say razor edge right below the logo. They have something slightly different. They have extra sharp blades. These blades should not be used with this same type of ceramic sharpener. So that's when the universal scissor sharpener comes in. This is very similar, but it's got special ceramic pieces inside that are on a spring. And by doing that, you can have a scissor sharpener that will sharpen all types. And not only does it sharpen razor edge, it also sharpens the regular scissors at the same time. So the universal scissor sharpener is a tool that you can just have around whenever you have a scissor around that you want to put a new fresh edge on, whatever the type.